Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo V20 SE versus the Vivo V20. And guys, and the Vivo V20 give you a Snapdragon 720G chipset with the 8GB of RAM, while the new Vivo V20 SE give you a Snapdragon 665 chipset with the 8GB of RAM as well. And guys, and both phones give you a triple cameras on the back, as you can see. And guys, also in the back it is made up of glass on the Vivo V20 compared to a plastic on the Vivo V20 SE. And the design language I feel a little bit more beautiful on the Vivo V20. And you can see we have a vertical camera layout compared to a rectangular camera layout on the Vivo V20. And you can see, so without any wasting time, let's get right into it and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. Obviously the Vivo V20 it is faster, but I want to see that how much a difference between these two devices. And guys, now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And you can see at the logo it is a little bit more faster on the Vivo V20, followed by the Vivo V20 SE. And guys, and this is a lighter version of the original Vivo V20, which is on the right hand side. And guys, we have Android 11 versus the Android 10 on the Vivo V20 SE. Let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see on the Vivo V20 it is a lot faster when it comes to booting up, and the Vivo V20 SE it is also right behind there, and you can see about 3 or 4 second difference there. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a similar display. We have a Full HD AMOLED display on both phones, but I have to say that the display on the Vivo V20 it is a lot brighter and more sharper compared to the Vivo V20 SE. And also in the bottom chain it is little bit bigger on the Vivo V20 SE. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And guys, we have Android 11, while the Vivo V20 SE it is running on Android 10. And you can see, but I have to say that both phones give you a same FunTouch OS version 11, and you can see. And guys, in the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. Little bit warm up, and you can see that the new Vivo V20 it is little bit faster, and also and the animation it is feels more smoother on the Vivo V20, as you can see. So let's check our settings, and that is again a little bit more faster on the Vivo V20. Now let's check out Amazon shopping on both phones, same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see that the new Vivo V20 it is little bit faster there, as you can see, not a huge difference. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. So now let's check out some more application. We have Instagram on both phones. Let's see which one is going to be the fastest one, and again more faster on the Vivo V20, and you can see. So now let's check out some games application, and let's see how much a difference between these two devices. We have a Snapdragon 720G versus a Snapdragon 665. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, and you can see that the Vivo V20 it is looks like faster, and you can see both phones is perform about the same in this application. And I would say I am really impressed by the performance of the Vivo V20 SE. And now let's see the pinout, one more game application, and you can see that the Vivo V20 it is little bit faster there, and the Vivo V20 SE it is also right behind there. And now let's see the Subway Surfer, and you can see that Vivo V20 it is faster there, huge faster there, and you can see. And that's the real difference between a Snapdragon 720G versus a Snapdragon 665. Now let's see the Temper N2, and you can see that the Vivo V20 again faster there, beat the Vivo V20 SE, and V20 it is completely done, while the Vivo V20 SE it is also done, and you can see no issue whatsoever. Now let's opening up the Snapchat, and again little bit more faster on the Vivo V20. Now let's see Spotify, and I would say a little bit more faster again on the Vivo V20. Now let's see YouTube, and that is about the same on both phones, and you can see no difference there. Now let's opening up the Twitter, and that is little bit faster on the Vivo V20 SE. I would say it is a first win for the Vivo V20 SE. And last, I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see that the Vivo V20 SE, it is little bit faster there. What I have to say is that the camera performance, it is much better on the Vivo V20 because we have a 64 megapixel main camera on the Vivo V20 compared to a 48 on the Vivo V20 SE. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Google Chrome on both phones and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And guys, we have wikipedia.org on both phones. And you can see that is little bit more faster on the Vivo V20. And now let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever, and that's a really unique feature on the Vivo V20 SE with a Fun Touch OS version 11. And next on the list is the WWE.com. It is a heavy website. Let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And looks like the Vivo V20 SE, it is a little bit faster there, as you can see, about half a second difference there. And now let's see the scrolling, and feels absolutely smooth on both phones. And guys, now let's see the RAM management on both phones. And guys, we have a 8 GB of RAM. Now let's see the phone dialer, and that is not refresh on both phones. Let's see settings, again no refresh. Amazon shopping, and that is only refresh on the Vivo V20. Instagram, let's see the Candy Crush Saga, refresh on the Vivo V20 with Android 11 software. I will say it is not really optimized right now. I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates in the future. And now let's see the pinout, and you can see Subway Surfer, refresh again. But the Vivo V20 SE is perform incredible in the RAM management. Now let's see the Temple Run 2, that is not refresh again. Now let's see the Snapchat, Spotify, that is only refresh on the Vivo V20. YouTube, and that is not refresh. And now let's check out the Twitter, that is also not refresh. Last, we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, what I have to say that the app's opening speed is a lot faster on the Vivo V20 in system-based application as well as in game app loading time. But I have to say the RAM management, it is absolutely incredible on the Vivo V20 SE, which is a lighter version of the Vivo V20. And thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo V20 versus the Vivo V20 SE. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.